Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best gear to level up your lifestyle. And today, we're diving into what we're calling the best rolling luggage suitcase lightweight hard shell, the Wrangler 20-inch spinner carry-on luggage in the lilac colorway. This isn't just another carry-on. This is the go-to suitcase for travelers who want performance, durability, and style all in one compact spinner. Let's see why this deserves a spot in your travel arsenal. First up, smooth mobility. The Wrangler 20-inch carry-on features a 360-degree spinner wheel system, and yes, it's as effortless as it sounds. Whether you're weaving through tight airport terminals or sliding into the aisle of a train, this luggage glides with a level of smoothness that'll make you feel like you're skating. It drastically reduces wrist strain, making it ideal for long hauls or frequent layovers. And speaking of handling, the top carry handle is designed for easy lifting. It's ergonomic, stable, and actually feels good in the hand. No more fumbling to get your bag into the overhead bin. Let's talk build. This suitcase is crafted from hard shell ABS material. That means it's both tough and lightweight. You're getting solid protection for your gear without tipping the airline weight scales. It's the balance every traveler is looking for. Open it up and you're met with a fully lined interior. It's clean, simple, and ready to organize. You've got a dividing zipper compartment on one side and compression straps on the other, perfect for keeping everything snug and wrinkle-free. No more measuring or gate check anxiety, just roll up and board. It meets most carry-on standards so you can focus on your trip, not the baggage rules. The 20-inch form factor is compact enough for weekend getaways, but functional enough for business trips and light international travel. Plus, let's be real, the lilac color adds that subtle pop of personality without screaming for attention. It's elegant, understated, and easy to spot on a carousel if you ever do have to check it. And one more thing, while it's currently listed as temporarily out of stock, you'll want to keep this on your radar. So, if you're after a rolling carry-on that blends smooth mobility, efficient packing, durable materials, and sleek aesthetics, the Wrangler 20-inch spinner carry-on in lilac punches way above its price tag. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a breakdown of the best products out there. Until next time, pack smart, travel easy.